Hi, my name is John. I'm one of the owners here at Areté Auto Salon, and we are Rochester, New York's CQuartz Finest Installer. I'm a detailer because I love cars and I love making them look good. And this is the easiest way to refine and protect and help other people enjoy vehicles also. I live for making cars look the best that they can. I love clean paint, I love cars in general, I love taking pictures of them, and this is a great way to combine all of these passions that are intertwined now. Being a CQuartz Finest Reserve installer means doing it the right way or not doing it at all. Being the best version of myself every day and constantly improving and not accepting second best. We are going to take every step possible to take the best care of your vehicle, especially with a CQuartz Finest Reserve service. At Areté, the customer experience is the cornerstone of each service. Each vehicle is unique and each service is tailored around that vehicle. CQuartz Finest Reserve represents the pinnacle in ceramic coating technology. It is the longest lasting, most chemically durable, and best looking coating that we have to offer. There are no shortcuts, there are no compromises, and this is the absolute best that we can do. It's a blast coming into work, and that's the way I'd have it. You know, why do something every day if you don't love it?